Hi, I'm Scotty. I service, repair and restore vintage and antique mechanical clocks. Welcome to Scotties Clock World.
Now we'll put the hammer in. That little piece of wire wound round that arbor is a spring. That piece there, that little piece on the end, once we put it together, we'll clip it over the top plate, and that'll keep a little bit of pressure on the hammer to return it to its correct position. So it goes in there like so. Now we've got to put the lift lever in. That one there, same thing, got a spring that ties around that post up there. We'll do that once it all goes together. That's the count lever. It has to go down onto the count wheel, way down in here. It looks like it might be easier to put it in if I remove the going side train. I'll do that and then come back once I've got the going side train in again. I'll put the top plate on so we can now start to put the wheels in place. One's out a bit. Got to get him in first before any of the others start to fall into place. Loosen the nuts up a little bit so I can get this guy in. That's about it, I think. And we can align that other post. Now, what have we got in here? Oops, nuts come off. Put that back on again to hold it. And start working from the bottom. Hammers in. Make sure we got all, that's got him. Now, first wheel. First wheel on. Goes in there. Tiny bit out. Got him. Make sure we got our lifting lever in its place. Oh, first wheel's come out again. That's right, that's right, that's right there. Now, put the escape wheel in. A bit better. Second wheel into here. One, two. Right, they all seem to be okay. Now over to the going side. I mean over to the strike side. In. Second wheel's a bit tight. Well, did that come out the other end? Yes, it has. Other pivots come out. Up. Whoop, fell out again. There. First wheel. Got him. That's right, that's all into place there. That one. That one. Scope wheels in. Now, what have we got? Okay, that's there, that's come out again. That's in place. That one. And that guy there. Third wheel has moved a little bit.
If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about antique and vintage clock repair, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.